and gentlemen, a wonderful nightmare. Palakpakan po natin one more time. Ang Kim Chick. Ayan na po. Kim Molina Napoles. Yes! Asawa niya na nga. Si asawa ko.
Thank you po ulit sa inyo lahat. Sana nagustuhan yung pelikula natin. Kung nagustuhan niyo po makisabi sa April 4, malakas na Philippine adaptation ng Wonderful Nightmare. Starring Gerald Napoles, Kim Molina Napoles from Viva Films. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po sa oras na ibigay niyo sa amin at kung ano man po ang inyong reaksyon, maganda man o hindi, pakipost. Importante, publicity. Thank you. Palakpakan natin si Inang Kim Molina Napoles.
Maraming salamat. Nandito kayo. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa amin ngayong gabi ito. It's very important for me and for Jen Rubik and to all of the cast na every premiere na kasi namin
Tayo para magkataan.
film. So, thank you so much. Please spread the word. Wonderful Nightmare, April 4, and cinemas nationwide. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ulit ang cast and director ng Wonderful Nightmare. Congratulations po. Again, thank you everyone for coming. Maraming salamat. Our hashtag Wonderful Nightmare PH and Wonderful Nightmare PH Premiere Night. Maraming salamat po and have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Brixton.